He buried his wife alive, but didn't expect her cunning return for ultimate revenge. The most satisfying revenge drama where the genius female lead destroys everyone. She was destroyed by her husband, so she stole an identity to ruin his life. Imagine being deeply in love with your husband, a brilliant scholar you supported for years. But the moment he climbs to the top of high society, he frames you for an affair, drugs you, drags you into a dark forest, and buries you alive. This isn't just a nightmare. This is how the ultimate revenge masterpiece, The Double, begins. If you think this is a tragic story about a victim, think again. Because this woman didn't just survive the grave, she returned with a stolen identity, a brilliant mind, and a vow to systematically destroy every single person who ruined her life. Today on Drama World, we are diving into the most satisfying, addictive, face-slapping revenge Chinese drama of the year. Make sure to hit that subscribe button because things are about to get incredibly intense. Our main lead is Xue Fangfei, a woman famous for her beauty, virtue, and talent. She sacrificed everything for her husband, Shen Yorong, helping him secure a massive position in the royal court. But her loyalty backfires. Shen Yorong catches the eye of Princess Warning, a powerful, completely unhinged royal who gets whatever she wants. Princess Warning demands Shen Yorong for herself, but there's one problem: his wife. To please the psychotic princess, Shen Yorong breaks his own morals. He orchestrates a massive scandal, making the world believe Xue Fangfei cheated on him. He ruins her reputation, ruins her family, and finally, digs a grave and buries her alive. Miraculously, a heavy rain washes away the loose soil, and Fangfei crawls her way out of hell. Weak and broken, she is rescued by a kind young woman named Jiang Li. Now, Jiang Li has her own tragic story. She is actually the daughter of the prestigious Prime Minister, but she was framed by her evil stepmother 10 years ago and locked away in a brutal, abusive maiden hall. Tragically, due to the harsh treatment, Jiang Li passes away right after saving Fangfei. Looking at the dead body of her savior, Fangfei makes a chilling vow: from this day on, I am no longer Xue Fangfei. I am Jiang Li. I will return to the capital, and I will avenge both of our lives. But returning to high society as a dead prime minister's daughter isn't easy. Enter our male-led, Xio Heng, also known as Duke Su. He is the emperor's most ruthless commander, incredibly brilliant, and absolutely lethal. Duke Su actually crosses paths with Fangfei while she is still hiding. With his sharp intellect, he immediately smells a rat. He figures out that this woman isn't the real Jiang Li. But instead of exposing her, he finds her fascinating. He decides to watch her, playing a dangerous game of cat and mouse. Armed with her new identity, Fangfei steps back into the capital. Her first obstacle? Her evil stepmother, Ji Shuran. Ji Shuran is a master manipulator who controls the entire household and tries every trick in the book to poison, frame, or ruin Fangfei. But Fangfei is 10 steps ahead. In every single family gathering, she turns the stepmother's traps completely against her. Whether it's a setup involving a fake ghost, a framed theft, or a forced marriage, Fangfei uses sharp logic and psychological warfare to make her stepmother look like a fool in front of the prime minister. As Fangfei's reputation grows, she enters the elite academy of the capital. This is where she finally runs face to face into her ex-husband, Shen Yorong, and the evil Princess Warning. When Shen Yorong sees her, he looks like he has seen a ghost. The tension in these scenes is absolutely palpable. Fangfei looks him dead in the eye with a polite smile, pretending she has never met him before, while his hands shake with guilt and terror. To completely crush Fangfei, Princess Warning sets up a massive talent competition, betting heavily against Fangfei's school. If Fangfei loses, she will lose everything. The pressure is insane. Fang Fei has to play the kin, an ancient stringed instrument, against the best player in the country. In one of the most iconic scenes of the drama, Fang Fei plays a melody filled with so much raw emotion, grief, and hidden fury that it moves the entire court, including the emperor. She wins the competition, cementing her status as a legendary genius of the capital, and slaps the face of everyone who doubted her. All the while, Duke Su is watching from the shadows. He becomes her silent guardian angel. Whenever she needs a piece of information or a strategic push, Duke Su steps in with his iconic smirk. Their chemistry is a breathtaking, slow-burn romance built on mutual respect, high intellect, and shared pain. They don't just fall in love, they become the ultimate power couple. Now comes the endgame. Fang Fei doesn't just want to clear her name, she wants to completely uproot the corruption in the empire. One by one, she systematically destroys her enemies. She exposes her stepmother's dark, murderous past, driving her to madness and ruining her position. Next, she targets her toxic ex-husband. She exposes the illegal, corrupt schemes of Shen Yurong and his family. The confrontation between Fang Fei and Princess Warning reaches a boiling point. Princess Warning is pregnant and tries to use a fake rebellion to seize total control of the throne. But Duke Su and Fang Fei have already laid a flawless trap. In a spectacular, high-stakes political showdown, the rebellion is crushed. Princess Warning is finally stripped of her royalty and meets a dark, tragic end. As for Shen Yurong, realizing the monstrous crimes he committed and knowing he destroyed the only woman who truly loved him, he is left broken, facing the ultimate poetic justice. The double is a masterpiece because it gives the audience exactly what they want. It doesn't drag out the misunderstandings. It features a fierce, brilliant female lead who handles her business, a protective, deeply charming male lead who supports her every move, and a plot that keeps your heart racing from the very first minute. If you love revenge stories where the villains actually get what they deserve, you need to watch this drama immediately. What was your favorite face-slapping moment in the double? Did you love Duke Su's iconic red fan scenes as much as I did? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, share it with your fellow Chinese drama lovers, and subscribe to Drama World for more epic recaps just like this. See you in the next video.